Hello everyone, welcome to the Hamster channel, and let's just get into the video. So many people are surfing or working on the internet or even playing, and they're really concerned about their privacy. They don't want someone to know who they are and also to protect themselves from, anonymous. So today I will show you how to protect your privacy from public networks. So someone may steal your personal information from public networks in just a couple of seconds. And there are many apps that can protect your information by either hiding your current IP address so no one can find your device, or encrypting your data automatically so no one can read your information. It's called VPN. It stands for Virtual Private Network. In general ideas, it built a virtual private and security direct line for yourself to access public networks. The major function of the VPN is to protect your privacy and improve security levels. And I know some people may use it for geo-restricted content purposes because some websites only allow local people to access it. So please seek service providers offering these services and use it with caution. And there are many VPN apps that you can use, and you can find them in the Play Store or the App Store, and some apps charge a monthly fee and some are free but with lots of ads. And if you want more services, I will suggest you choose the paid ones because they offer more features and better protection. Okay, so how to select the best VPN apps? So I would suggest you to consider certain criteria. So speed. Some offer high-speed services, some speed are really slow. And no logs policy. You won't leave any records on their servers. And security, like military-grade encryption, no one can read your information. And ad tracker blocking. They can't use your information for advertisement purpose. Connections. Limited connections, support more devices at the same time or only allow one device. Services. How many services in the world, the more is better. So company location, like Switzerland, their laws more friendly for privacy. Server location, like geo-restricted websites. Does it cover that area? And then monthly fee. So in this tutorial, I will use ProtonVPN, for example. It offers high security, no logs policy, high-speed servers, ad blocker, and streaming service support. In the pricing plan, they offer free plan for basic service. So at the end, I will use Speedtest to show your network speed and your ISP and address after connecting their servers. Let's go, yeah! So now I'm going to show you how to download this app. So it's called ProtonVPN. So ProtonVPN. And then it's this one, and then you're going to download it, but I reinstalled it, so I'm going to press open. So this is the free locations here, yes. And there's only Japan, Netherlands, and United States. But if you buy more, if you buy the basic or the plus plan, you can get all of these. But I'm just going to choose Japan. And then, so this is that. For the free servers, you're going to just choose one that has less percentage here. For example, there's, let's do 83% this one. I'm just going to press this. And then it's connecting for you now, and here's the IP and server. So after it's done loading, you're just gonna, so I'm gonna use a speed test and test the speed of it. And it's this one. I'm gonna press open because I reinstalled it, and then you're gonna press go. Now it will be finding server here. So the location, as you can see, it's Kobe now. Now it's loading. So the most important thing, so this is the download. It's megabyte per second right here, and then now it's loading the upload megabytes per second. And then yeah, this is the location right here. Yeah, I already told you the location of it. And then right here. So now I'm gonna like disconnect the Proton thing, and I'm gonna test the speed for you guys and to see the difference. So I'm gonna press disconnect like this, and I'm gonna go back to the speed test, and I'm gonna press go again. Oh yeah, make sure to remember this. So now it's loading. Here's the device and like the place, and then see it's getting kind of faster. And then here, this is the download megabytes per second, and then the upload megabytes still loading. So this is the upload megabytes. It's, of course, you can tell like this huge difference, right? So now like like the importance of the speed of it, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe and like, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.